Oh, hey there. My name's Emily Lamb, and I'm the founder of Canis Outdoors. Over the past 2 decades, I've been fortunate enough to work all over North America in the conservation and environmental field, and enjoy the outdoors daily on my hobby farm, Little Bird Landing. But feeling comfortable outdoors didn't always come naturally. The more I realized my passion, the more it became obvious how much skill I was lacking and how little I knew. I made the jump to focus on learning as much as possible, but with years of self-doubt and mistakes. As I was exposed to more and more, I also met an overwhelming amount of people in the same position as me. Folks who were hoping to live a more sustainable lifestyle, but they were intimidated. When I started Canis Outdoors, I envisioned creating a community of outdoorsmen who were excited to share simple skills with the world. Lucky for me, there were lots of talented folks who agreed with that idea and wanted to see it grow. People like our creative director, Justine.
My hope is that Canis Outdoors can become a welcoming community that people come to seek out information on outdoor topics that they might be interested in, and also for it to be a place where people can share their outdoor experiences with others. Hopefully Canis is instrumental in inspiring people to maybe try something that they never thought they would do.
Thanks, Justine. So, the Canis team began to take shape with a simple vision. Everyday folks helping other everyday folks build the skills to access the outdoors. Then, we started seeking out contributors to build a wide variety of resources to share. From fishing to gardening to bushcraft and tracking, we wanted to shed light on it all. Take a look.
Hi, my name's Owen, and I like eating indoors, but I like eating outdoors even more. Oh, what do we have here? Is that a juniper berry? Oh, homemade gin, anyone?
We're excited to teach people new skills and techniques so that they can build their confidence and enjoy and utilize their time outside.
Well, stay tuned for more content like our monthly small skills video, which this month is going to feature a foraging skill so simple, I guarantee success. Till next time, see you outside.